Degree third sem. Skill paper. ICT, Information Communication Technology. Part A. Answer any four of the following 8 questions. Question number 1. Type of browser. YouTube. Password. Fourth, mailers. Fifth, email addresses. GOI digital initiatives. Seventh one, virtual labs. Acharya. Part B. Answer any three of the following 6 questions. Explain about entering a website address. Second one, explain about WhatsApp. Third one, state the message components. Fourth one, explain about Google Documents. Fifth one, explain firewalls. Sixth one, explain about NPTEL.